In this video, we're going to introduce some of the basic features of Google, including changing some of the most common settings, and then we're also going to look at the translation tools that are built into Gmail as well. So, as usual, gmail.com to open Gmail. If you do get this page, this button up here means enter, and it will bring up the usual login and password window. I'm going to log in again with my account that I created for these videos. And we get our Gmail window. Any new emails that you get will be in bold with a white background. Click to open. If you go back to your inbox, you'll see that this one now has a grey background and is not bold. That means it's been read. Firstly, let's send an email. Up here, we've got the compose button. Click it. First thing we're going to need to know is who it's going to. I'm going to send it to myself. I already pop up here. I'm going to click that one to make my life a bit quicker. I'm also going to send it to Anastasia as well. And I'm going to send a copy to Kate. And this is going to be an email saying, hello, I am new to the company. My name is Alan. Now in this case I've used the CC box for somebody that's not a direct recipient of this email. If I use this one, the BCC box, I'll go ahead and use it now, then these two people will not know that this person got it. CC means that they will know, BCC means that they won't know. Very useful for sending it to somebody that you don't want all the other recipients to know that it's been sent to. And that's basically it. Let's have a look at some different features that we have here. If we want to attach a file that's on your own computer, click it down here. It will bring up a window. I'll have a look on my desktop. I'll want to attach some grammar homework. A document there that I saved on my desktop. Open it up. It will load from the desktop into Gmail, and then it'll be ready to send. If I've got any documents saved on Google Drive, I can also add them using this as well. We'll cover that later when we do the Google Drive video. I'm going to click send here. Next to send, I've got the option of sending it at a later date, but we can cover that later. Right now, I'm just going to send it. Now, going to my own email, that should pop up in my messages here. If I want to look at what I've sent to people, go to the sent box and it will show me what I've sent. And it will show me who to. Click here, it will give you much more detailed information with the names and email addresses of who's got that message. Now, I'm going to go back to my own email on my separate computer here. I've received a message and I'm going to reply. I've sent the message from my own computer, check my inbox, and it should be there. Generally takes less than a minute to arrive. And there's the reply from me. Let's open it up. And I can see that Matthew has replied to me, and also he's replied to Anastasia as well. So he must have clicked the reply to all button. I'm going to show you that now. On my separate computer here, I'm going to send a message to Alan, and Anastasia, and Kate. I'm also going to put it in Russian, so that we can demonstrate the translation tools. And there's my new message from Matthew. Let's open it up. I can see that it's a message to me and Anastasia and Kate, but it's in Russian. I don't know how to read that. 3 dots over here gives us our additional options, and we go to translate. Translate that message into English, and it does it automatically because it knows what language I speak. Prepare a video explaining how to translate. Okay, I understand that message now. Now, in my inbox, I've got a message here. It's been sent to 3 people from Matthew. And I have a number of options here. I can reply. If I click reply, it replies only to Matthew. However, if I click reply to all, for this particular message, reply to all, it will send it to the person who sent it to me and all the people they sent it to as well, which will make it much more useful for conversations with multiple recipients. Furthermore, if I feel that this message is not for me, and it's actually better aimed at somebody not in the group, I can send it to somebody else by clicking forward and choose who gets it. Now the translation feature is very useful. To go over that again, any message in any language that you get that you don't understand, you can click 3 dots and choose translate. And it will give you the option of translating it into any language. If you're a Spanish speaker, you don't have to have it translated into English. You can ask it to be translated into Spanish as well. Let's say now that you had an email in the past with some grammar homework attached to it. You want to find it, but you've got thousands of emails in your inbox. Click in here, what does it look like? It was grammar, something to do with grammar. press enter, and it will bring up everything that has the word grammar in it. And in this case, this is the one I'm looking for. Ah, yes, this is my grammar homework. Got two options with any attachments. Hover your mouse over them. You can either download them or add them to your own Google Drive account. I'm going to do both. I click download. It will pop up here at the bottom and download it to my normal place on my computer. If I click save to drive, it will put it onto my Google Drive, and I'll come over that later. There's quite a lot of other features of Gmail, which are very useful. Particularly down the side here, you've got your access to your Google Calendar right there in your email. You've also got Google Keep and Google Tasks, which we'll cover in future videos. But those are the basic features of Google, and I hope you enjoy using it. Thank you.